Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make the real and original rice water, the Yao Women's method for healthy and long hair growth. So now let's get started. So here is the rice I will be using for the rice water. I'm just going to pour in some water like this.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on it, family mama says okay.
Now pour the water you got from washing into a pot, just like this. Next, get orange or lemon or mandarin, anyone you have at home, and peel it. We need the skin. Now put the skin into the water in your pot. Next, put this combination on the fire and let it boil for at least 30 to 40 seconds. So I'm just going to add in a bit of extra virgin olive oil. This is optional, you don't need to add this. I just like to add it. Now cover and allow to boil. Then after about 40 seconds, take it off the stove and leave it down to cool. So now that it has cooled down, transfer into a bottle or a container and leave it to ferment for at least 7 to 10 days. Also, do not forget to transfer the lemon peel or the orange peel into the container too and leave it to ferment for at least 7 to 10 days. Like I earlier said, though I heard the Yao women leave theirs for at least 1 month, some will leave it for at least 3 months. I usually leave mine for like 7 to 10 days. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. This is the real rice water made by the Yao women for healthy and long hair growth. So I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.